Hey guys, how's it going? G Bobbles here, and today guess this thing's not working. Alright guys, just kidding. Today is an update video, as you see in the title. So I got the tires in, they're here. My rings are still at the powder coat shop, so we're waiting on that. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging because there's a lot coming. I got a lot in this week, and I was actually really sick this week, which is kind of why things didn't get done. So I'm gonna take this outside, that way there's no echo, and it's warm out, so hold on one second. All right guys, we're outside now. Yeah, I didn't want to have you guys deal with that echo if you don't have to, especially since it gets really annoying, I know. So first and foremost, obviously I have the tires. I did get in touch with the powder coat shop. It should be done early next week. So next week's video, the tires are going to get put on the Jeep, and then you're going to get my announcement. So I'm really excited to tell you guys that. That's going to be awesome. Next is I got a SuperChips flash cal. I had it for my JK, so I am transferring that over to my JL. I had to get a bypass module, which is what I was waiting on. That came in yesterday. I'm really excited to get that in. There's going to be another video on that. There's one more surprise part. I'm not going to tell you what that is just yet, but it's going to be coming down this month. I'm just waiting for it to come in. It's still on pre-order. And with that being said, I feel like there's something else I wanted to tell you guys. I don't know. It's warm. I'm in a t-shirt. It snowed like 2 feet 3 days ago, so that's what I'm dealing with right now, everybody. What did I mean to tell you? I don't know. There's going to be a few videos coming out. That's pretty much where I'm at, guys. I wanted to give you something this week just to let you know what's happening. Oh, the jet ski's coming in this month, so I get to pick that up kind of really whenever I want. I'll probably do in a week or two, towards the end of the month probably, and that'll be on the channel too. And you'll probably get to see me learn how to back up a trailer, because I've only done that like once and it didn't end well, so that's gonna be fun. With that being said, guys, have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. When you like the videos, it really helps. This video I don't expect you guys to like really much, because I'm just updating you, really. There's nothing crazy going on, but please appreciate it if you do. If you have any questions about any parts I put on the Jeep, or you know, something you just want to say, leave a comment. I appreciate it. I get back to you guys. I like talking to you. With that being said, guys, have a good one.